watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to House Aesthetic. Today, I'm excited to share some wonderful small kitchen decor ideas with a vintage farmhouse style. Whether you're looking to refresh your kitchen or completely transform it, these ideas will provide you with plenty of inspiration. Let's get started. First, let's talk about furniture. For a vintage farmhouse look, consider using pieces with a distressed finish. The old wooden table adds a rustic charm and pairs beautifully with mismatched chairs. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles for a more authentic feel. Add some greenery. Plants not only freshen up the space but also bring in a touch of nature. Choose a variety of potted plants and hang some from the ceiling or shelves to create different levels of interest. This helps make the space feel more vibrant and inviting. Efficient space utilization is key in a small kitchen. Use vertical storage solutions like wall-mounted shelves and hooks to free up counter space. Vintage jars and baskets not only look great but are also practical for storing utensils and ingredients. Keeping your kitchen organized will make it feel more spacious and functional. To complete the vintage farmhouse look, add some personal touches. Decorative items like old clocks, wooden signs, and vintage-inspired ceramics can bring warmth and character to your kitchen. Pay attention to details like curtains and tablecloths with simple, rustic patterns to enhance the cozy atmosphere. In this video, I'm sharing some wonderful small kitchen decor ideas with a vintage farmhouse style. So, keep watching. And there you have it, a charming vintage farmhouse kitchen that's both beautiful and functional. I hope these ideas have inspired you to start your own kitchen makeover. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite ideas, and don't forget to subscribe to Houseaesthetic for more home decor inspiration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.